Here's an overview of the acquisition software with a session that's already been acquired. We have a series of players who have already been tested. We can choose one at random, like this, and we'll see his speed curve appear immediately after his test, as well as his time and speed results for each 5-meter section. So we have 5 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters, etc., which gives us the athlete's speed curve. When we move on the speed curve, we can see the synchronized video, which was also acquired by the software at the same time. So it's synchronized frame by frame. You can also see all the instantaneous time, speed, and acceleration data for this player. This example was taken while in feedback mode, but there's also a testing mode we can use. Testing mode means that we don't have to download the video, so we can test at a much faster pace, with each trial following the other with no rest time in between, so as soon as we finish one trial, we move on to the next. All the feedback we get from this mode is the times and speeds for each 5-meter section. When we go to the session section, we see that we can modify the session, so this is what we want to do when we arrive and want to create a new session and we have all the information we need. We can, for example, change the number of total athletes. Here we put 5, and you can notice that the list is adjusting on the right part of your screen. At this point, I can change all the parameters directly in the table, putting in names, changing the year of birth, modifying the athlete's weight, etc., so that it's exactly the way you want it. We also have the acquisition parameters, which can be modified by selecting them and clicking on Apply. For example, we can choose a type of start. Once we accept the modifications, we have the option of creating the session. Other options include whether or not to automatically download videos, which could improve the speed of the session, and also to have an audible start signal. This can be activated or deactivated. If you don't want to have the beep sound, we do have a start detection algorithm that starts the stopwatch the moment that the athlete moves for the first time. Once you finish the test, you can use the export function to send the data to a data processing software program where you have many more options.